Many of our students had a great experience in their first enrichment class of nearly 2 years. We are so glad to get this ball rolling again. Thank you to everyone who provided feedback. We're always looking for ways to grow and improve, and we take everything you say to heart. I want to wish a hearty congratulations to our 10th and 11th grade students who took the PSAT test this week. Our students all worked very diligently and were very well prepared for this standardized assessment that ranks them amongst public and private school students nationally. Last year, 80% of our students were in the top 10th percentile. So we continue to be very proud of our students' achievement. A reminder that parent-teacher conferences are coming up on November 11th. There will be no school that day, but we're very happy to say that we're inviting parents to come in person or virtually, whichever is easier for you. All timeframes will be strictly adhered to ensure that every parent gets time to discuss their student. So please look for the links that will be sent to you shortly to sign up at a time that works for you. Finally, help us grow. Become a Hebrew Academy ambassador today. Recently, you received an email from our wonderful Director of Admissions, Karen Berger, inviting you to join the new Hebrew Academy Ambassador Program. Many parents have already offered to join, but we need an even greater commitment to grow our school. Please reach out to become part of this exciting initiative now to support our school and get your parent hours filled as well. Contact Karen in the admissions office for more information.